Welcome to the channel GeoInfo Lab. In this video, we will learn about the process of computing topographical position index in ArcGIS. So, let us understand the topographical index or topographical position index. The topographical position index helps us distinguish the topographic features such as hilltop, valley bottom, exposed ridge, flat plain, upper or lower slope, etc. And it's computed comparing the elevation of each pixel to its surrounding neighbors. The number of neighbors you compare to it, it makes the big difference. And these are the TPI values. TPI when the TPI values is 0 or near to 0, and large positive and negative, large negative. So these are the indicators of the TPI values. Now let us do the work. So first open the ArcGIS and add your digital elevation model or DEM data. So this is the DEM data, and then go to the geoprocessing tool and there search for toolbox. Under the search toolbox, here type focal statistics. And focal statistics, this is the focal statistics under spatial analysis tool. You can search it under the toolbox also. Now click on it. Here the input raster is the DEM data. Now select your location output where you want to save the raster layer. Now this is a rectangle, and this is the cell size, actually 30 into 30. And I click on OK. So this is the layer of focal statistics. Now under the search toolbox, search for minus. Now click on it. Constant value 1, include the DEM, the original DEM, and constant value 2, include the focal statistics layer. Select your location output and save as TPI or topographical position index. So this is the obtained raster of topographical position index. Now go to the properties and under the symbology tool, classify the raster and assign a color ramp. So this is the classified topographical position index. I'm just inverting the color ramp, and in this way we can compute the topographical position index. Thank you. That's all.